All right, how's it going, YouTube? Back out with the Arrma Infraction. So the last time out, I had I think I hit 105 with the drag gearing. So I did go up one teeth. Anyway, so what I did was I stiffened my shock in the front because I had body rub on my tires. So I'm hoping that'll help. I also raised my body shock one, but I noticed that my body's not sitting flush on the front fender no more, so I'm hoping that don't give me no interference. If not, that wind might get up in there and flip the car. So we're gonna see. I haven't tested it yet. I did nothing with it to see what it would do. So that's what we're gonna do today. And that's about the only thing I did. So went up one tooth and tightened up my front suspension. So all right guys, let's see what happens and then we'll go from there. All right, YouTube, we got a car coming down that way. I think we got two now. And once them two pass, I'm gonna make the pass. This is gonna be on 6S. I'm gonna zero out the GPS. Well, it is already zeroed out. GPS started. Well, timer started, so let's see what happens. We got one coming down. I don't know if he's coming all the way down or he letting somebody out. I don't want to chance it, so I'm gonna just wait. Hopefully we don't get no more body rub, and we'll see what happens then. Yeah, he's not coming down. Still drag gearing. I just went up one tooth. That's all I did. Literally. Sorry about that, guys. I'm getting pulling right now. And that's because I did do adjustments. And I cannot do a speed run like that. Got a car coming. Just going to work out my adjustments in the meantime. Sorry about that, guys. Got to make sure my adjustments right before I go and pull full throttle. End up in a curve. Alright, we're looking good right now. We're looking good. This is gonna be a quick pass because the other day I cut off down there and I don't want to go too far. You just turn my steering throttle down. Road is clear. Alright guys, here we come. Sound like it hit second gear. I might not be holding this car too long. See if we can get it back here. It definitely sound like it opened up to me. At least it sound like it opened up. I got it ready to come back. I just want the cars to pass. I might need to stretch it a little bit longer. I might need to stretch it a little bit longer.
That fucking thing, I seen it on the side of the road.
Not this thing. Alright guys, so what I'm looking at, we didn't get no body rub. I tried to clean it out. We did hit 105, sorry about that. We did hit 105 again. I noticed I didn't hold it long enough because as it got into it, it started to open up. And it was like just getting into it at 105. So I know it got more in it. We'll see. The fan's cool. I know my motor's probably warm, so I don't want to do too much passes and mess anything up. So far that was a good run. I think I could have held it or got into it a little bit faster and then went from there. So let me actually see. I might be able to get another pass in. Let me just make sure I'm not gonna blow nothing up. Motor's kind of cool. I got a fan on here, but it's tripping right now. Yeah, there we go. So let me restart everything and then maybe we'll do a second run. If not, we hit 105, guys, on 6S. Same China Hobby battery. I'll do the second run, don't worry about it, guys. All right, too, it ain't even been that long. I'm gonna just go ahead and get the second run in. Show y'all this zeroed out. GPS is started. Making sure I'm getting, yeah, I got something. Make this a quick run. Sorry about that, guy. I am trying to get a good run, so I'm gonna take it down there. We clear right now. Hopefully that car is going that way. And we coming down. All right, here we come, guys. I got out of it and got back into it because I really thought I was about to go into this section right here. And we don't want that, y'all. You know what I'm gonna start doing? Because since I gotta hold my hand in the air, if I could bring a ladder out here, I'll be able to stand on it and I'll be able to get better reception. Because look, just ran out of reception right there. I'll be able to get better reception and go further the distance. Pick up better numbers, because only at 100 and something I'm losing reception with a booster, and that's because of these right here. Alright, we did gain one after the second run. We did hit 106. Hopefully y'all seeing that. We gotta stop this. I do just want to show y'all that that's success in there. I'll take the top off, actually. So it's my drag gear and I'm just fooling with it. I actually get a drag pulling if it's not hot. Castle, that ESC, that ESC ain't no game, baby. I did just turn it off with the flick of my finger. Anyway, this is 6S, guys. Hopefully y'all see it now. I gotta get out the road, but it's 6Y, 7. I gotta get out the road, sorry about that. Let me pull it to the side, now. Trying to steer with my hand, all right. Sorry about that, guy. Anyway, that's 6S, 106. I mean, mode ain't all that hot. Could be cooler. Could be cooler. I'm gonna actually let it cool down real quick, and I'm gonna get 1 or 2 test hits in, just to make sure she's still going straight. Remember, I did up the gear, so I want to make sure that the car can handle it. But anyway, stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. 106, and I still think that's because of the second run. I could have got more on the first pull if I would have held it. And I had to get back into it because it got crazy, but it was still a good run. I'll probably bring out a stool next time to get some leverage, try to get better height, even stand on the damn van if I can. That way the reception will last better. And I actually come out one day, what I'll do is, if I come out with a ladder or whatever I come out with, I'm gonna just send the car as far as I can that way, standing on the ladder, and then as far as I can that way. Not really a speed run, just for range, so I know where I would run out of room at. Plus I dropped my booster a bunch of times. If y'all see in there, I had put hot glue in there, I had fixed the booster, and I'm not sure if that is 100% at 100%, but that could be the cause too. My boy Johnny does not have that problem, and he has the same booster, and he could probably go from end to end. So might be my booster, might be it might be time to get a new one, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, let me let the car cool down and we'll get back. All right, guys, so right now, from what I know, the body adjustments that I did are working for up to the speeds that I'm getting. So it's not rubbing as far as I can see, I'm not getting no scraping, so it might be good where it's at as long as it can stay there. But more speed you pick up is the more air you'll hit, and so on and so forth. So that's the next thing I gotta do is check on that. I'm gonna keep messing with it. Fan's still not coming on. Motor, I'm sure it's not getting up to temp because I can hold my hand on it, and I do need to get a better fan for my sorry about that, guys. I got another car coming this way. I do need to get another fan for my motor because the fan that's up there is not powerful enough. And I would also like to get a fan for my XLX to consistently have the XLX fan on. I don't want to wait till it heat up to come on. I need it to stay cool at all times. It's staying cool right now. Right now, today's about 64 degrees where I'm at. And that's staying cool. So imagine in 100. That needs to keep coming down, especially if I plan on running back to back in a drag race. That temp needs to come down rapidly and fast. So that's what we're gonna work on. But anyway, the gearing seems right, still taking it, but we're gonna see if it can lay down them strips like it's been doing with that same gearing. So y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, get a quick test hitter. And then we're gonna call it a wrap. A good hit. I mean, went a little bit right, but I'm in an open road. I'm not racing or anything, so I'm not trying to correct. If I'm sure if I wasn't a race, I would have been holding that together. So the next pull, I'm gonna try to keep it in a straight line. See what happens. Alright, YouTube, let's see if I can keep this thing in a straight line. I got a car behind me too. That should have been good enough. Should have been good enough. Alright guys, we're gonna call it a wrap. Once again, you know, the Arrma Infraction did her thing. I still got like a $20 servo in this thing. What I really need to do is upgrade to a better servo. But anyway, I've been babbling the whole time about this car. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. She did good. More to come from it.